Why are my cosmos not blooming? I planted them from seed on April the 26th, and it is now September 10th. And they have little to no blooms on them. They're about 5 feet tall now. I have done nothing to them except water the seeds when I planted them. Any idea why they are not blooming? And this is Marguerite from Belfast, Tennessee. So yeah, thanks for the picture. It's a good picture. So it is in an area where it looks like it gets full sun. Okay. My thing is this, she says she just watered it. So no fertilizer, anything like that, because cosmos, if you think about it, they're native to Mexico.
Oh, yeah.
They're drought tolerant plants. She has done nothing but water.
Water, yeah, I'm saying. Yeah,
So I think it could be too much water, and you have to make sure that your soils are well drained.
that way the picture look could be too lot
Right,
of water.
because I was, looking, around the area, looking at some of the weeds growing up,
Yeah.
and some of those weeds that I saw like a lot of moisture.
Oh, yeah, moisture, yeah.
So that's, that's something that came to my mind. And Mary, I don't know if you saw anything else.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah.
So if you can adjust that drainage issue or pick a different spot next
I'll
year.
pick a different spot next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. So again, that's what we're thinking is maybe, just too much water. Because again, cosmos don't need nutrient-rich soils. They can grow just about in any soil for the most part, but yeah, too much water could be an issue. Too much fertilizer could be an issue. But here I think it's too much water.
Yeah,
poor drainage is what I think that may be. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.